going to Chemco Rider Good Moto Trading and see what they've got here. Kawasaki and also Benelli. Now this is a Benelli. Is that it?
That's Benelli 500.
It's a Benelli brand. Is it made in Italy?
Yeah, that's Italian brand, but it's manufactured in China, so that's less cheaper compared to other bikes.
And this one is called a Leonidio. I'm not sure how you pronounce that.
What? That's Leoncino 500 trail.
Leoncino 500. Is it one cylinder?
Yes.
And it looks like water cool.
Yeah, water
It's a 500 Benelli water cool. There's that radiator there.
That's a dual cylinder.
It's what?
Dual cylinder.
Oh, it's 2-cylinder.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And it has kind of like a quick release type thing here for the tank, and it looks like all digital. Everything is black. Let me see if I can squeeze in a little bit of them. Well, it does look like there's 2 exhausts. Exhaust comes out here. Got some handholds here on both sides for the back rider. You know how much it is?
Yeah, the Benelli is 394,000.
394,000, and it's 500 2-cylinder water cooled. Okay, isn't that something? Now it looks like you got a new rouser here.
That's not new, but it's still a rouser RS200.
This is a rouser 200.
Yeah.
Is this 2020 model?
No. I think this is just 2019.
Oh, this is 2019. It's got a big analog tachometer, and it says Kawasaki, but I believe this is a Bajaj.
Bajaj. It's made in India.
And this one actually is manufactured in India. It's got bearings all over it, so you can't really see too much of the engine. Now, what's this one here? Is this a Japanese?
Well, this is
this is a Benelli.
Also.
This is a Benelli here.
That's 300cc Benelli 302S.
Oh, it says right here, 302S.
Yeah, 302S, and it costs.
Look at that shock absorber, it's amazing. And it's a Benelli.
224,000.
224,000 for the Benelli 302S. And this one is massive. And you can see it says
sporty
Benelli.
type bike.
It's a what?
That's it's like a sporty or street bike, so it's very good in streets.
Oh.
The other one was a trail bike.
Oh,
You
okay.
can go off-road in that. Look at the wheels in it.
Oh, yeah, here's the front. This is 302, and then that one is what?
The Leoncino 500 Trail.
This is a 500, this is 300 cc?
Yes.
And that's a 500. Actually, that one's bigger.
Well, that's versus 1,000.
This is a 1,000, but it looks like a police truck, motorcycle or something.
1,000 cc for
4-cylinder?
Yes, 4-cylinder in it, 4 pistons.
How much is a 1,000?
For the first is 1,000. $705,000.
705,000 for 1,000 cc. And what's that one out there? This one out here. This is
Well, that is the Benelli.
Oh, this is also a Benelli. Is it the same thing? Well, this is different. This is like a...
Yeah, this is the Benelli, which is an adventure bike also.
Adventure bike, Benelli. And is it 500cc?
Yeah, 500.
500
CRT
cc. 502.
Yes.
And how much is an Adventure Benelli?
379,000.
379,000 for a Benelli. Okay, well I think we've covered a lot of bikes here.
Yes, of course.
And we want to thank Juliet.
Yes, you're welcome.
And here at Good Motor Trading.